Hey guys, so I found something I wasn't expecting. That little green rice-shaped organism there is a desmid. They're single-celled freshwater green algae, and they have long chloroplasts in their body that gives them that green color. And even though they don't have cilia or flagella, they can still glide along surfaces, like you can kind of see it's moving here. And this one appears to be a Closterium-type desmid, I think. I'm not that sure, but desmids like this are photosynthetic, and they help form the base of a lot of freshwater micro-ecosystems, and supporting food webs for all sorts of stuff we've looked at before, like the rotifers, tardigrades, nematodes, you name it. These guys are pretty important. This is the first one I've seen so far. I just wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was pretty cool. It took a long time actually because it was hiding behind some debris, but it's finally out where I could get a decent shot at it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys have anything else you want to see or have explained, just let me know.